I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your X, or just post a video from YouTube onto your X account. So let's go to YouTube and go ahead and find the video that you want to specifically embed or share or post. So I'm just going to do this video here. And when you click on the video, all you have to do is go ahead and hit the share arrow at the right below the video and right below the video title here. And you just want to copy the link. So go ahead and hit copy link. As you see, it says copied. So from this point forward, go to your X account and tweet like you normally would. So go ahead and hit the plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner. And you just want to go ahead and click and hold, and you'll get the option to paste that link. So from here, what we can do is go ahead and add a different type of title. So let's go ahead and just write food video. And we'll hit enter. So that's all you need to do. So once you hit post, that post was sent. We can go on our actual page and check. Go to our profile. And just like that, a couple seconds ago, that video was posted. The video was embedded from YouTube. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy.